शिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्।
Connecting with the divine with your eyes closed is meditation. Connecting with the divine with your eyes open is darshan. Come, let us all now move from meditation to darshan. Slowly, very slowly, please open your eyes.
श्री मीनाक्षी सुंदरेश्वरा भिन्न स्वरूप परशिव पुत्र रत्न कुमार गुरुमन्य तुल्यावतार श्री पार्वती स्तंभमान लब्ध दिव्य ज्ञान श्रुत सकल दिगमागम सारभूत द्राविड वेद प्रवर्तक श्रीमन् परम शिव करुणा समधिगत मुक्तामय चतुरश्रयान वीयमान छत्रचामर श्री चिन्नकाहलादि समस्त विरतावल्यरंजित ज्ञान विज्ञान चक्रवर्ती सर्वजन संघ सत्योजात निर्वाण दीक्षा व्ययापवर्ग श्रीभूत परम सकल भेद केशरी शैव सिद्धांत श्रवण शाक्यादि महातकार निर्वाण ज्ञानवाणु दीक्षार्हार्ह वचोच्चेदन पूर्वक ऋषभध्वज स्थापक शैव समय कर्तृ सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ श्री जगद्गुरु श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक स्वामी वागीश सुंदर माणिक्यवाचक स्वामिना अवतार भूत श्री ज्ञान संबंध स्वामी पुनरुद्धृत श्यामलापीठ महासंस्थान ज्ञान साम्राज्य शासक सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ प्रणवद्युत्तर वशतम गुरु महासन्निधान महानिर्वाणि पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री महामंडलेश्वर अटल पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्रतम श्री अटल पीठाधीश्वर श्रीमत् परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्यवर्य सच्चिदानंद प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ नित्योत्सव नित्य मंगल नित्य कल्याण नित्य रचित नित्यानंद पीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठ कर्तृ जगद्गुरु भगवान श्री श्री परमहंस नित्यानंद श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामी परात् परात् परात्।
राजाधिराजाय प्रशक्यशालिने नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे श्यामे कामाय मह्यमुपामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः।
சலடி போற்றி சிவன் சேவடி போற்றி நேயத்தே நின்றடி மலனடி போற்றி மாயப்பிறப்பருக்கும் மன்னனடி போற்றி சீரார் பெரும் துற சிந்தை கவல வந்த நேசனே நீ வருவாய் ஒடு கனிகளை கொண்டு உன்னை பூஜித்தோ அருள் தருவாய் கலி என்னும் கடலினில் மூழ்கிட்ட எம்மை நீ கரம் தந்து காத்திட்டு கருணையை பொய்கையில் அலர்ந்திட்ட அளவற்கும் போல உன் திருவடியில் வாழ்ந்திட பாராய் அருணாச்சலனே நீ வாராய் அகண்ட ஜோதியனே வாராய் அல்லல் நீக்கிடவே வாராய் அகிலம் போற்றுகின்ற ஈசனே சிந்தை கவரும் நேசனே நீ வருவாய் ஒடு கனிகளை கொண்டு பூஜித்தோ அருள் தருவாய் சூலமும் மெய்யினில் வில்வமும் இறையார் கடல் நீர் குடியோடு தரிசனம் அருளவா செம்பொன்மாழ சிற்றவை தனிலே சிந்தை கவர்ந்த உன்னை சிக்கன பிடித்தேனே மண்ணும் புகழ் பெறும் நான் வரை நாயகா மதியில் நிறைந்திடுவாய் மதி உணராதவர்க்கு மதி உணர் செய்திட நீ ஏந்திவா
नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिव समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्ति मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidar, Kotari, visitors, viewers, Sarvangyapida Yajamans, Kartas, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Nityananda Yogam participants, Nityananda Hindu University students, Nityananda E-Gurukul students, everyone watching live on Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Enlighten app, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now TV, Twitter and 2-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, fourth day of the Nityanandeshwara Brahmotsavam, Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva and Nityanandeshwari Parashakti are gracing in Amlana Mala, seated in Swarna Rishabha Vagana in Sarva Alankara with Ganapati, Valli Devasena Samed Subramanya Swami, Nityanandeshwari Sameda Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva, Nityanandeshwari Parashakti, Chandigeshwara Swami and Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam. Let's offer our devotion to all of them, receive their grace and blessings and enter into the satsang.
मात्वाहिगुंसिषम् ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः भूमाघ्रापयामि ओम उद्दीप्य स्वजात वेदोपघ्नन् निरृतिं मम पशुगिश्च मह्यमावह जीवनं च दिशो दिशा मानो हि गुंसि जात वेदो कामश्वं पूषं जगते अभिभ्रदग्न आगहि श्रिया मा परिपातय ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः एकहारती दीपं संदर्शयामि ॐ मधुवाताऋतायते मधुक्षरन्ति सिन्धवः माध्वीर्न सन्तोषधीः मधुनक्तमुतोषसि मधुमत्पार्थिवगुं रजः मधुद्यौरस्तु नः पिता मधुमान्नो वनस्पतिर्मधुमागम् अस्तु सूर्यः माध्वीर्गावो भवन्तु नः मधु 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 ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि। ओम सोमो वा ये तस्य राज्यमादत्ते यो राजासन् राज्यो वा सोमेन यजते देवसुवामेतानि हवीगुंषि भवन्ति य एतावन्तो वै देवानागं सवाः तयेवासौ प्रयच्छन्ति तयेनं पुनः सुवन्ते राज्याय देवसूराजा भवति न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चन्द्रतारकं नेमा विद्युतो भान्ति कुतो यमग्निः तमेव भान्तम् अनुभाति सर्वं तस्य भाता सर्वमिदं विभाति। ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः सर्वराजोपचार पूजार्थे कर्पूर नीराजनं संदर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि।
With the grace of Paramashiva and Parashakti, let's enter into today's satsang. Today's message from Kailasa, Paramashiva Jnana and Paramashiva Vijnana. Please understand, Charya, Kriya, Yoga, Jnana, all four are not separate paths. They are integral components of enlightened lifestyle. I'll explain. Listen carefully. Charya means the lifestyle of Kailasa, Paramashiva, Jnana. Kriya means methodology, technology which raises the electromagnetic force of your existence. I'll explain. Charya means the lifestyle of Kailasa, lifestyle of living enlightenment. Paramashiva Jnana, Paramashiva Vijnana. Understand? Hinduism is vision of Paramashiva. Please understand. Visionary of Hinduism, founding father of Hinduism, Paramashiva himself. Through his 5 faces, he reveals Chaturvedas and Agamas. Through each face, he reveals one Veda, Rig, Yajur, Sama, Atharvana. Through the 5th face, he reveals all the Agamas. So Paramashiva himself is the founding father, visionary of Hinduism. I should say, in a way, anyone wants to live enlightened lifestyle, Paramashiva is visionary for them. Paramashiva is a visionary for Kailasa. Paramashiva is visionary for Hinduism. His vision is Vedas and Agamas through 5 phases: Rig, Yajur, Sama, Atharvana, Vedas and all the Agamas. Paramashiva reveals to the world. The enlightened lifestyle Paramashiva envisions and shares with all of us is Charyapada, like strategies, policies, principles for the best of an individual and society and all our existence together. Please understand. If a doctor has to make money out of your sickness, his action may be treating you, but his vision will not be completely curing you. Because he is bound by his personal needs and desires. No, I am not disrespecting any doctors. Please, Sona Kamath, don't mistake me. I am not disrespecting any doctors. But fundamentally, the conflict of interest, why don't we understand this truth? If somebody's suffering is the source of my success, how can the person, no, will he think of his success or will he think of the person suffering getting cured? It is like you are torturing that person. That is why in Veda Agamas, the lifestyle of Paramashiva, doctor gets paid when everyone is healthy. Means all the persons, healthy people, whatever they produce, the share doctor gets. If somebody is sick, his share will reduce. So his responsibility is to make sure the whole village is healthy. The whole area under him is healthy. I had 2 grandmothers in my village. They used to be like a local small time doctors. They used to, when I use the word small time doctors, I mean in small time they will treat all the disease. That way I want to mean. Not any disrespect. They will make sure the people don't get disease. That 2 old widows, every morning they will get banana and fill the banana with castor oil, keep in tray, and all the kids in the street, they will make the kids eat. If the kids eat the banana with castor oil, they will be given 1 honey, 10 mithai, honey candy. It's all free. It's a service. Now I understand the importance of the castor oil. I tell you, castor oil is God in the liquid form. Mark my words. All my disciples should have castor oil, haritaki powder in every day your meal. It is my humble request to all my disciples. Understand? Neem, tulsi, vilva, haritaki, castor oil, arugambul. I don't know the English word for arugambul. You Google and find out. Please use all this in your everyday life. Anyhow, let me come back. When I was born and brought up, this was the structure even in the village I was born and brought up. If everyone is healthy, doctor gets his share. If somebody is sick, did not do agriculture, he will miss his share. So, health of that village matters for the success of the doctor, not sickness of that village matters for the success of the doctor. No. If at all these two women are my grandmothers, two widows, still I feel so grateful because these two contributed for my health. See, deworming is such an important thing needed for the system to get built in the young age. Even now, every time when I drink castor oil, I remember both of them and bow down. My grandmothers and I want in all our temples both their pictures to be kept. Every day the castor oil should be done as an nivedyam. And all people who come should take at least 2 or 3 spoon castor oil. Temple should be place where you get prasadam which heals your body. Pure organic castor oil, pure organic haritaki powder, all these should be available in all our temples for people to take as prasadam freely and even take home as much as they want. By giving all these good things, we will never become poor. I want this as a vision for all my temples. Listen. Let me come back. The individual existence and the humanity's coexistence is done in such beautiful vision. There is no conflict of interest. Understand? If a visionary decides, plans, designs the principles and strategies with no conflict, administration will become so easy. A doctor is successful when everyone is kept healthy. That should be the vision. I want all the evolved nations, rich nations, to consider this principle and bring it into the lifestyle. Surely, if our devotees, disciples can take this vision and present it to your country lawmakers, maybe in next 10 years we can cause a change. system should be such when people are healthy, doctors should feel successful. And we can find a solution. There is no such thing that it cannot be adopted in the modern day. It is not possible. It has gone too far away. We have crossed non-return zone. Nothing like that. Understand, I tell you. The internet made whole world very small. And very soon, I tell you, there will be small chips which will outdate the whole school idea. You just have that chip in your system. You can download anything you want. The whole education is going to be reformed. The technology and science is evolving so much. Just you can have a chip inserted into your system and download anything you want from Google. All the old ideas are losing its power over people. People have started thinking life positive. If we can bring health as the way for doctors to feel successful, the whole humanity will have a huge jump in their health level. Amazing vision of Paramashiva. For happy coexistence is Charyapada. Understand? Strategies, principles, ideas we receive about life from young age. If they are life positive, existence become very beautiful. மண்ணில் நல்லவண்ணம் வாழலாம். I am telling you. I am not saying good or bad, right or wrong. Sad or joy. I am not talking in that duality. I am talking the truth as it is. Understand? If your sickness is somebody's success, don't you feel you are torturing that man, forcing you to cure, and which is indirectly going to make him as a failure? Look at this. We are creating the systems which are bound to fail and then blaming the system. Modern day, especially this generation youth with a vast access to information, understand, all the threatening, torture, blackmail, compulsion-based ideologies, philosophies, religions are losing power over people. All the fear-based traditions are losing power over people. People are becoming intelligent. People are thinking. Paramashiva's grace. The mainstream media was attacking, abusing left and right the Kailasa concept. Long before I told, Kailasa is a spiritual principle. It is a space, not any place. I am not claiming any place. I am saying Kailasa is a space. It is a vision. I made it so clear. Even in the website, we put it very clear, borderless nation and all that. Mainstream media, left and right, abusing me, attacking me about this Kailasa. Today, in Twitter, you can all see, it is trending top 10. We did not do anything. I am telling you, modern youth are becoming intelligent. All of you just take few minutes and go and see the Twitter. In the top 10, we are trending in India. The Kailasa, Nityananda is trending. Understand? I am not against anybody. I am not against India. I have a deep love, reverence for India. I am neither against India nor against any nation. I am not against anyone. I just want to do my spiritual work. My gurus have given me the enlightenment experience and the jnana and vijnana from Paramashiva, the Kailasa's experience, which is absolutely life positive. I want to share that to the world. Whoever can make whatever as reality in your own country, within the legal framework of your country, you enjoy this vision and make it as a reality and live happily. That's all. I am making it very clear. All Kailasa or the organizations supporting Kailasa will function within the legal framework of the country in which they are situated. For example, if there is an organization in India supporting Kailasa, connected to Kailasa, that organization will function obeying all the legal framework of Indian law. If any organization is in Malaysia, Nepal, Australia, Dubai, America, USA, Canada, any country, they will function as per their country law. I am not claiming any border. Kailasa is a vision, is a space. I am only sharing that spiritual vision. So whoever wants in your country, within the legal frame of your country, practice and share, enrich. I am only here to share the original vision of Paramashiva. Understand? The original vision of Paramashiva, which is absolutely life positive, based on Vedas and Agamas. As I said, through the 5 phase Paramashiva reveals Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda, and all the Agamas. The vision Paramashiva revealed, I am sharing with all of you as Kailasa. It's absolute spiritual work. I am only interested in making a spiritual university. Fundamentally spiritual university. Maybe even online based, because that's the most easiest and easiest way we can reach out to billions of people. I'll go on be collecting, organizing, decoding, revealing the sacred secrets of Veda Agamas and sharing it with all of you. You all take it and live by creating thousands and thousands of Kailasa ecosystems in your country within the legal framework of your country. That's all. I want you to know, modern day youth started waking up to the reality. They have started thinking anything which benefits is going to become successful. People are tired of all these old sick methodologies of fear-based philosophies, greed-based philosophies, guilt-based philosophies. Exploitation-based philosophies, terrorism-based philosophies. Modern youth are sick and tired of all this. Modern youth wants absolute life positive principles. I tell you, Vedas and Agamas are the absolute life positive principles. Even the understandings and truths about the death, if you listen from Vedas and Upanishads and Agamas, you will see death is such an amazing life. There's no such thing as death. It's only just moving into the next space of life. Strategies, principles, ideas for blissful life positive individual existence. And blissful life positive coexistence. The principles related to this is what is Charyapada. Jiva means individual self connecting with Jagat, world, humanity, animals, nature. This is Charyapada, lifestyle. Individual connecting with Ishvara, Jiva connecting with Ishvara is Kriyapada. Raising your electromagnetic force into Ishvara Shakti is rituals and even all celebrations and festivals. In Hinduism, actually I tell you, in Hinduism all celebrations, all festivals are rituals. festive rituals. That is the truth. In Hinduism, there is all celebrations are celeb rituals. All festivals are festive rituals. All Hindu festivals, Hindu celebrations, Hindu pujas, everything is to raise your electromagnetic force and connect you with Paramashiva. I tell you, power of the vision is the strength with which Hinduism is surviving, even though all the visionaries are attacked left and right. Listen carefully. Last 48 hours, mainstream media owned by the chronic capitalists attacking me left and right, abusing me with all the lies, false allegations. But Paramashiva's grace, as I said, Paramashiva is protecting me. Mahakala Bhairava is protecting me. Power of the vision of the Kailasa of Paramashiva, which he himself gave. Today I am seeing unexpected, huge support from social media. Twitter is trending in top 10. We did not do anything. I did not do anything. Our Sangha did not do anything. The depth of the vision is spreading by itself. I tell you, you can't cheat modern day youth anymore. Just because you spent crores and bought OB vans and employed thousands and thousands of people, trained them to repeat the same lies. You can't cheat the modern day youth anymore. I am telling you, the news industry is collapsing because of social media. Almost all big channel networks are running in huge loss because the modern day youth has stopped trusting, making decision based on mainstream media. People have started making decisions only based on social media. Information sharing has become democratic. People don't want to understand. People don't want anyone to force them to understand by intimidation tactics. It's all over. That period is over. Now, everyone has started becoming cool and started analyzing, started going into multiple views, multiple versions. I want to take a minute and sincerely thank everyone supporting the vision of Kailasa in social media, in Twitter, and everywhere. Thank you all. I know Paramashiva is protecting me. Mahakala Bhairava is protecting me and our Sangha. I can see visibly. Intelligentsia, people who make decisions, decision makers have started trusting social media more than chronic capitalistic infrastructure called mainstream media. Extreme stagnation, exploitation, corruption, blackmailing has become the trend of the mainstream media. The honesty level has gone down, so the trust level, the public's trust on media has gone down so low. People have started looking to social media to come to conclusion, to understand any subject. Anyhow, I tell you guys, I am not against anybody. I am absolutely non-violent Sangha. I will continue to reveal the vision of Paramashiva with the grace of Paramashiva and Parashakti. On each field, I'll try to, with the grace of Paramashiva, I'll try to bring legitimacy to Hindu medicines, the Hindu medicinal knowledge, Hindu administration knowledge, Hindu economy, Hindu methodology of growing food, food distribution, and cooking and enjoying the whole field of the food end to end as per the Hindu tradition. Hindu clothings, Hindu jewelry, the right life positive arts, culture, dance, music, and Hindu way of administration, Hindu way of enriching the world. I will reveal all the sciences and vision to the world. As long as I am alive, I will do this work. I will not be a threat to anyone, and same way, I will not be threatened by anyone. That is the way of Hindu principle. Abhayam sarvabhudebhyo. I am not threat to anyone, and I will not allow the world to threaten me. I'll continue to reveal principles of an individual connecting with Jagat. Jagat means world, world's multiple parts like humanity, nature, all dimensions of the world. Right principles, strategies, understandings to connect with all of them. This connection, the methodology to connect, is called Charyapada. Individual, Jiva, the methodology of the individual to connect with Ishvara is Kriyapada. As I said, puja, rituals, homa, all the karmaganda and celeb rituals, festive rituals. As I said, in Hinduism, all celebrations are rituals. All festivals are rituals. All celeb rituals, festive rituals. Let's create these new two words. In Hinduism, festivals are festive rituals. Celebrations are celeb rituals. These two words are the essence of today's satsang. Celeb rituals, festive rituals. Everything is Kriyapada. This raises the electromagnetic force of your existence and connects you with the gods, goddesses, Ishvara. Yoga means raising your Kundalini and connecting with Paramashiva. Jnana means bringing Paramashiva into your being and making him manifest in you. That's all. Just these four words. Charya means lifestyle of Kailasa. Strategies, principles, ideas about how an individual should connect with himself and with the world. Jiva connecting with the Jagat is Charya Pada. Jiva connecting with Ishvara. Individual connecting with God is Kriya Pada. Raising your Kundalini Shakti and connecting with Paramashiva is Yoga Pada. Making Paramashiva land in you and manifest in you is Jnana Pada. Understand? If you understand these four principles, Charya, Kriya, Yoga, Jnana, you can very beautifully understand the whole narrative of Hinduism. Veda Agama, Veda Vedanta, Agama Agamanta. All the absolute truths, practical applications, pure science, and applied technology in all the level. The whole Hinduism is just this four: Charya, Kriya, Yoga, Jnana. Understand? Lifestyle is more like a principles and integrity to the principles. Kriya is more like a intense energizing process to connect with Ishvara, ultimate force. One important thing you need to know: neither Charya can be separated from Kriya and Yoga and Jnana, nor Kriya can be separated from Charya, Yoga and Jnana, nor Yoga can be separated from Kriya and Jnana or Charya. Neither Jnana can be separated from Charya, Kriya or Yoga. Listen carefully. Sariyayil Kiriyayum Yogamum Jnanamum undu. Sariyayil Sariyai, Sariyayil Kiriyai, Sariyayil Yogam, Sariyayil Jnanam. Same way, Kiriyayil Sariyai, Kiriyayil Kiriyai, Kiriyayil Yogam, Kiriyayil Jnanam. Same way, Yogatil Sariyai, Yogatil Kiriyai, Yogatil Yogam, Yogatil Jnanam. Same way, Jnanatil Sariyai, Jnanatil Kiriyai, Jnanatil Yogam, Jnanatil Jnanam. All four has to stand only with the support of all the other three. This is the complete vision of the Hinduism for people. understand? With a simple open eyes, if you see, Charya Pada creates energy in you which you can use to master gravitational force. Kriya Pada creates energy in you through which you can master electromagnetic force. Yoga Pada creates energy in you through which you can master weak nuclear force. Jnana Pada creates energy in you through which you can master strong nuclear force. I am also going to teach more and more Kriya, Yoga, Jnana continuously. I am planning to have 3 satsangs a day. I am working on it, organizing my routine. Actually, I don't want to do any more this separate paid programs. I just want to share all the truths, initiation, everything through online, multiple sessions a day. Whoever wants, take it and enjoy. I am like a Ganga. I just want to flow. Whoever wants, take it and enjoy. I have nothing to gain from the world. I need only 1 cup curd rice per day. That's all. Nothing more. And I have enough people who love me to give that 1 cup curd rice for me every day. And I don't need anything else. I'm really feeling. I am not interested in your money. I'm neither interested in your honey nor interested in your money. No honey, no money. I just want to be like Ganga from Paramashiva's being. Share the whole Paramashiva Jnana and Paramashiva Vijnana to all of you. Whoever wants, enjoy and live happily, blissfully, wherever you are. I'm planning to work on making 3 or 4 satsangs. So much to be told and shared to the world. I also wanted to work on uniting all the nations and connecting all the nations and share this knowledge. I sincerely request all the devotees all over the world, take these ideas to your country lawmakers, decision makers, and share this vision with them. Surely, many people will start clicking, understanding this. We are really underestimating the power of Veda Agamas. Nobody, neither you nor me, anyone in the Sangha expected Kailasa will trend in top 10 in Twitter. None of us did anything. Even now, none of us are doing anything. We are all sitting and attending satsang. Paramashiva's grace, the power of Paramashiva's vision, and how Mahakala Bhairava is protecting me and the Sangha. That is why it is becoming successful on its own. Understand, truth has its own power. Actually, the mainstream media flashed about Kailasa to attack me, abuse me. But finally, the whole thing suddenly turned around. Now it is trending and so many positive tweets. I thought, oh God, is this about Nityananda? How come? Paramashiva's vision. Paramashiva's grace. Kalabhairava's protection. Time for the people who scream is over. Time for the people who stream is modern day. Understand? I scream is not going to work anymore. I stream is only going to work anymore. The modern day is for the people who say, I stream. It is no more time for I scream. All the screamers are outdated. Decision makers are influenced now by streamers, not by screamers. If you have the right vision, people are ready to listen to you. People are not interested anymore in all this binding, torturing, terrorizing, blackmailing systems, methodologies, and philosophies. Terrorizing, blackmailing, fear centric, abusive methodologies, philosophies, and structures all have lost their power over people. Kailasa is trending in seventh. Kailasa is trending in seventh. humanity. Veda agamic principles. With the grace of Paramashiva and with the protection of Mahakala Bhairava, I'll bring legitimacy to the vision of Paramashiva in every field, spiritual, religious, ritual, economy, construction, art, dance, music, medicine, law, justice, administration, in every field. I want the whole world to know Hindus have something great to contribute to the world. We have something great to contribute to the world. Let us do that. We have so much to add to the world in every field, especially the field of consciousness. Alchemistry, physics, cosmology, biology, in every field, Hindus have so much to contribute. So much can be added to the human life for the betterment of the human life. Principle of non-violence, if it is taught from the context of Vedas and Agamas, as Paramashiva explains, the whole world, planet Earth will become heaven, Kailasa. It is such an extraordinarily beautiful way of coexisting. Principles of economy, contributing economy, not controlling, exploiting, rigging, no, contributing economy. So many principles of medicine from Hindu scriptures, Ayurveda, if it is even the principles taken and analyzed, thousands of diseases can be cured, will not even be created. See, one principle I learned from my guru, it's from Siddha tradition. Anything which you cannot eat, don't apply even on your skin. He used to tell, Haritaki, only if you can brush, you can use that for cleaning the skin. Castor oil, only if you can take, you can use that to clean your skin. First time when I brought the soap, he said, my guru said, don't use. Can you consume this? I said, no. He said, skin consumes whatever you apply on the skin. So anything you cannot consume orally, don't apply on skin. I was shocked. But anyhow, I never doubted my guru and I followed that principle. Still I am following that principle. Now I realize healthy skin eats what is applied on it. Understand? Healthy skin eats what is applied on it. We need to understand all these deeper principles and start applying them in our life. We can be not only healthy and detox ourselves, we can avoid multiple diseases and disorders. All I am trying to tell is, if we start doing researches in this line, even this one principle, we can bring so much of health to people. So many diseases can be avoided. So much detox can happen. I just want all of you to pen down one line about Charya, Kriya, Yoga, Jnana. Just 4 lines. Means one line about Charya, one line about Kriya, one line about Yoga, one line about Jnana. Just to make sure you grasp what I expressed. You can put it in the Facebook status or pen down as in paper. I'll give you a few minutes. Do that. Then I'll continue the satsang.
नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्माङ्गरागाय महेश्वराय नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्माङ्गरागाय महेश्वराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगम्बराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय
नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगम्बराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय
మందాకిని సలిల చందన చర్చితాయ నందీశ్వర ప్రమథనాథ మహేశ్వరాయ మందాకిని సలిల చందన చర్చితాయ నందీశ్వర ప్రమథనాథ మహేశ్వరాయ మందార బహు పుష్ప సుపూజితాయ తస్మై మకారాయ నమః శివాయ
మందార బహు పుష్ప సుపూజితాయ తస్మై మకారాయ నమః శివాయ.
శివాయ గౌరీ వదనారవింద సూర్యాయ దక్షధ్వరనాశకాయ శివాయ గౌరీ వదనారవింద సూర్యాయ దక్షధ్వరనాశకాయ శ్రీనీలకంఠాయ వృషధ్వజాయ తస్మై శికారాయ నమః శివాయ
శ్రీనీలకంఠాయ వృషధ్వజాయ తస్మై శికారాయ నమః శివాయ.
శివ ఓం నమః శివాయ హర ఓం నమః శివాయ శివ ఓం నమః శివాయ.
వశిష్ఠ కుంభోద్భవ గౌతమార్య మునీంద్ర దేవార్చిత శేఖరాయ వశిష్ఠ కుంభోద్భవ గౌతమార్య మునీంద్ర దేవార్చిత శేఖరాయ చంద్రార్క వైశ్వానరలోచనాయ తస్మై వకారాయ నమః శివాయ
చంద్రార్క వైశ్వానరలోచనాయ తస్మై వకారాయ నమః శివాయ.
यक्षस्वरूपाय जटाधराय पिनाकहस्ताय सनातनाय यक्षस्वरूपाय जटाधराय पिनाकहस्ताय सनातनाय दिव्याय देवाय दिगम्बराय तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय
दिव्याय देवाय दिगम्बराय तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय.
శివ ఓం నమః శివాయ హర ఓం నమః శివాయ శివ ఓం నమః శివాయ. ఓం నమః శివాయ.
पञ्चाक्षरमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् शिवसन्निधौ शिवलोकमवाप्नोति शिवेन सह मोदति शिवेन सह मोदते शिवेन सह मोदते.
నాగేంద్ర
அங்கையர் கண்ணி ஆலயம் செல்வோம். அங்கையர் கண்ணி ஆலயம் செல்வோம். ஆலவாயழகனுடன் அன்னை மீனாட்சி தரிசனம் காண்போம். அங்கையர் கண்ணி ஆலயம் செல்வோம். ஆலவாயழகனுடன் அன்னை மீனாட்சி தரிசனம் காண்போம். அங்கையர் கண்ணி ஆலயம் செல்வோம். சக்தி மண்டபத்தில் அஷ்டலட்சுமிகள் தொழுது 6 வரிசை தூண்களுடன் மீனாட்சி மண்டபம் கண்டு. அஷ்டசக்தி மண்டபத்தில் அஷ்டலட்சுமிகள் தொழுது 6 வரிசை தூண்களுடன் மீனாட்சி மண்டபம் கண்டு. முதலிநாயக மண்டபத்தில் முனிவர்தம் சிலை தொழுது. முதலிநாயக மண்டபத்தில் முனிவர்தம் சிலை தொழுது. பொற்றாமரை குளம் இறங்கி தீர்த்தமாடி சுத்தமாகி விபூதி விநாயகனை துதித்து நீர் பூசி சென்றிடவே அங்கையர் கண்ணி ஆலயம் செல்வோம். மண்டபம் பின் சிவமைந்தர்கள் தொழுது 6 கால்கள் பீடமேறி மீனாட்சி தரிசனம் கண்டு. கோலாட்ட மண்டபம் பின் சிவமைந்தர்கள் தொழுது 6 கால்கள் பீடமேறி மீனாட்சி தரிசனம் கண்டு. முத்தமைந்த முடி அணியோடு தொங்கலணி ரத்தினமும். முத்தமைந்த முடி அணியோடு தொங்கலணி ரத்தினமும். பொன்னாபரணம் வைரம் சூடி அழகுமாகி அருளுமாகி அநீதி களைபவளை விழித்து குதித்து கழித்து சென்றிடவே அங்கையர் கண்ணி ஆலயம் செல்வோம். கொலு மண்டபம் சுற்றி முக்குருணி பிள்ளை கண்டு. கம்பத்தடி மண்டபத்தில் நவகிரகம் நந்தி கண்டு. கொலு மண்டபம் சுற்றி முக்குருணி பிள்ளை கண்டு. கம்பத்தடி மண்டபத்தில் நவகிரகம் நந்தி கண்டு. ஈசனாடும் வெளி அம்பலத்தில் ஆனந்த நடனம் கண்டு. ஈசனாடும் வெளி அம்பலத்தில் ஆனந்த நடனம் கண்டு. சுந்தரேசர் தாழ் வணங்கி உடல் வருத்தி மனமுருகி சோம சுந்தரனை நினைத்து நினைத்து விழித்து நின்றிடவே அங்கையர் கண்ணி ஆலயம் செல்வோம். ஆலவாயழகனுடன் அன்னை மீனாட்சி தரிசனம் காண்போம். அங்கையர் கண்ணி ஆலயம் செல்வோம். ஆலவாயழகனுடன் அன்னை மீனாட்சி தரிசனம் காண்போம். அங்கையர் கண்ணி ஆலயம் செல்வோம்.
மனசூடி கிளியேந்தி நிற்கும் அவள் பேரழகு அனுதினமும்
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्. Blessings to all of you. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
श्री कैलासोन्नत द्वादशा श्यामला पीठारूढ श्री मीनाक्षी सुंदरेश्वरा भिन्न स्वरूप परशिव पुत्ररत्न कुमार गुरुमन्य तुल्यावतार श्री पार्वती स्तन्यमान लब्ध दिव्य ज्ञान विश्रुत सकल दिगमागम सारभूत द्राविड वेद प्रवर्तक श्रीमन् परमशिव करुणा समधिगत मुक्त